Hi students, good afternoon. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are learning our third chapter, integral calculus 2. Okay, so in our last class we have completed up to example 3.15. I hope you all of you learned. Okay, so I said in the last class, so in our next class we will move to the next section. So our next section name is page number 67. First, whatever the things you need to take to your note, I am saying. Afterwards, we can move to the problems. So all of you take down your book. So put the heading revenue functions from marginal revenue functions. Please take down, this is a formula for revenue function. R be the total revenue function. When the output is X, the marginal revenue is MR, marginal revenue, integrating with respect to X. So from here to here, then demand function P is equal to R by X. I think in this last formula you have learned it. So what are the things I have marked? You need to take down your notes. So two formulas are there. Revenue function, what's the formula? R is equal to integration of MR. MR means dr by dx. So this one plus K. So demand function P is equal to R by X. So this one you take to your note. Okay, let's move to the problem. Example 3.16. Question is, for the marginal revenue function, MR is equal to 35 plus 7x minus 3x square. Find the revenue function and demand function. Okay, so now we have learned the formula for revenue function and demand function. We are going to do, that's all. Solution. First, given MR. What is given? 35 plus 7x minus 3x square. Okay, so revenue function, what's the formula? R is equal to integral of MR dx plus K. Okay, so that's equal to, so this is a formula we have learned now. So integral of, write down MR, 35 plus 7x minus 3x square dx plus 1 constant. So R is equal to, now integrated, 35x plus 7 into x means x square by 2 minus 3 into x square means x cube by 3. Okay, so plus K. So this and this will get cancelled. So what's the value of R here? So R is equal to 35x plus 7x square, 7 by 2 x square minus x cube plus K. Okay, so this is a value for revenue function. Okay, so listen to the question. For the marginal revenue function MR, okay, find the revenue function and demand function. Okay, so we need to find the value for R is equal to 0. Okay, since revenue function, the value is R is equal to 0. The reason is, if you go through that definition, see the definition in page number 67, where K is a constant of integration which can be evaluated under given condition when X is equal to 0 and total revenue R is equal to 0. So what's the value you need to apply? R for 0 and X for 0 you need to apply. Okay, so if you are applying like that, K is also will be a 0. So in the place of K also 0. Okay, according to the definition. So apply here, R is equal to, so K is equal to 0. That is 35x plus, that is R is equal to 0 when X is equal to 0. If X value is 0, R is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. So apply for K equal to 0, X square minus X cube. Okay, got it. So this is a value for revenue function. Understand? So you don't stop here. The reason you need to write, that is when R value is equal to 0. That is, since R value is 0 means when X is equal to 0, K equal to 0. So in the place of K you need to substitute as 0. Next one, demand function. Demand function, you have learned the formula. What's the formula for demand function? P is equal to R by X. So R value you know, is it right? So P is equal to 35x plus 7 by 2x square minus x cube divided by x. So each and every term you need to divide by x. So 35 plus 7 by 2x minus x square. This is a value for demand function. Understand, students? Have you got it? So demand function means this is the main thing, k is equal to 0. Understand? So in the place of k you need to substitute a 0. Then afterwards find out the demand function. Understand? I hope you got it. Shall we move to the next problem? Next question. I am reading the question from your book. All of you listen to your book. Example 3.17. A firm has a marginal revenue function given by MR is equal to. MR for one value is given. So I am starting from solution. You read out the question from your book. MR is equal to A by x plus b the whole square minus c. Okay, so this is a value for MR where x is the output and a comma b comma c are constants. Show that the demand function is given by. You need to prove. Understand? So first what you are going to do in this is, so MR is given in your question. So I wrote the MR. So first step you need to bring, very important. So you need to bring this denominator value to the numerator. So what will happen? MR is equal to A into x plus b power. If you are bringing this denominator power to the numerator, what will happen? Minus 2 minus c. Okay. So when we are finding r, what's the formula for r? Integration of MR dx. Is it right? MR dx plus, what's the formula for MR dx plus constant. Is it right? So here c is a constant is there. Anyhow you need to apply the constant. Okay, that c is not a constant, it's given. So r is equal to, shall we integrate? A into x plus b the whole power minus 2 minus c dx plus k. Okay, that is equal to, next step, a into x plus b the whole power minus 2 dx. Split is 2 integral. Okay, minus c into integral of dx. Split is 2 integrals. Okay, split is 2 integrals. Split is 2 integral. After integrating you can apply the constant. So r is equal to a into, what's the integration of this one? Power plus 1. Is it right? X power n formula. So x plus b the whole power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 minus c x plus 1 constant k. So r is equal to a into x plus b the whole power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus cx plus k. Okay, so r is equal to, what will happen? A, here one minus is there. Is it right? Minus will come there. Shall we bring this numerator power to denominator? The reason is power minus 1. So you can write it in the denominator, x plus b minus cx plus k. Have you all understand up to this? Okay, so denominator or numerator, if the power is negative, you can change denominator power to numerator by making the power as positive, or numerator to denominator. Understand? So afterwards, what will you do in the sense, when x is equal to 0, what will happen? R also 0. Last problem I have taught you. So when x value is 0, r is also 0. So here you can apply for r as 0. So 0 is equal to minus a by x also 0. So 0 plus b minus c into 0 plus k. So from here 0 is equal to minus a by b plus k. So from here you can find the value of k. K equal to, bring the power this side. So k equal to a by b. Understand? K equal to a by b. K equal to a by b. Now you can apply this k value in this equation. Take it as equation number 1. R is equal to minus a by x plus b minus cx plus a plus b. Understand? So next step what you are going to do is, you can take this two together. So what are the two? A by x plus b plus a plus b minus cx. This 2 for you can take the LCM. So b into x plus b is the LCM. So what will happen in the numerator? Here 1 minus ab plus a into x plus b minus cx separately. So what will happen? Minus ab plus ax plus ab divided by b into x plus b minus cx. Okay, so this and this will get cancelled. So what's the value of r now? Ax divided by b into x plus b minus cx. Okay, so this is a value for r. Now we can move to demand function. What's the formula for demand function? P is equal to r by x. So P is equal to r value a by ax by b x plus b minus cx divided by x. So each and every time if we are dividing by x, this x and x will get cancelled. So what's the balance? A by b into x plus b minus, here also x and x will get cancelled, c. So now bring this c to this side. So what will happen? P plus c equal to a by b into x plus b. Now bring this b plus c, p plus c to here. Okay, so what will happen? Bring this to here, this to here. So b into x plus b equal to a by p plus c. Okay, so the reason is you need the value of x. Okay, so now multiply inside. So what will otherwise easily we can do. So x value we need, is it right? So x is equal to a by, bring this b to here. So b into p plus c. Is it right? If you need, you can write one more step. So x plus b is equal to b, you can bring here b. Okay, so next step, x is equal to a by b into p plus c. Bring this plus b to this side. So minus b. Understand, this only we need to prove. Understand students? Very important question. I will repeat again. Very easy. You need to simplify carefully. Okay, so this only you need to prove. Shall we repeat again? Listen here very carefully. First I wrote the MR value. Next step, R is equal to formula. I have integrated, so x power n formula using this, and r is equal to this one. So x is equal to 0 means r also 0. If you substitute r is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, from that you will obtain the k value. Substitute this in equation number 1. So we will get r here. So next step, what will you do? You separate cx alone, remaining 2, take down the LCM. If you cancel anything, you can cancel. Then afterwards r by x. So here you need to be very careful. You need the value of x, is it right? So bring this c to here. Afterwards what will you do? This one to here, this one to here. Why means you need the x value. So afterwards x plus b, you keep it here. Bring this b to denominator. So a by b into b plus c. Next step, you can bring this to here. This is the proof. Understand students? I hope you got it. This is a very important problem. Learn it. Understand? Understand? Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Take down your book, please. Next one. Next one is to find the maximum profit. Differentiate it and learn it. To find the maximum profit if marginal revenue and marginal cost function are given. So these two values are given means what will you do? Why? What and all this given? If marginal revenue and marginal cost function are given means what's the formula for maximum profit? Okay, so you write like this. If P denotes the profit function, then dP by dx is equal to d by dx of r minus c. Next, what will you do? dr by dx minus dc by dx. So dr by dx means mr, dc by dx means mc. If you are integrating both sides, what will happen? mr will be P is equal to dP by dx. When you are integrating, it will become B. Is it right? B is equal to integration of mr minus mc dc plus k. Okay, where k is a constant of integration. So you take down your previous problem you completed, put this heading, and whatever the things I have marked here, you take down to your note. Understand? So up to here you need to take down to your note. Understand? Learn this also. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next question is example 3.18. Okay, I am reading the question from your book. You take down your book and listen there. If, the marginal cost C dash of x and the marginal revenue R dash of x are given by C dash of x, the value is given. So I am writing the values whatever given. C dash of x is equal to 50 plus x by 50. Then R dash of x is equal to 60. Okay. Fixed cost is rupees 200. The meaning is fixed cost, that's a C value, that's the fixed cost. Find the maximum profit. Okay. Solution. So what are the givens? C of x is equal to, you know, is it right? C of x means integration of C dash of x dx plus you can apply the constant as k1. That's equal to integration of what is C dash of x? 50 plus x by 50 dx plus k1. Integrate it now. So 50x plus x for what's the integration? X square by 2 into 50 plus k1. So what's the value of C of x? 50x plus x square by 100 plus k1. Okay. So when quantity produced is 0, then what's the fixed cost? It is given, is it right? Then the fixed cost is given. Fixed cost is given as 200. Okay. So when x is equal to 0, C is how much? 200. Now shall we apply here? Take it as 1. 1 implies so in the place of x is 0. So this will be also 0. This will be also 0. So k1 is equal to 200. Okay. So then cost function. Cost function C of x. Apply in equation number 1 equal to 50x plus x square by 100 plus k1 value is 200. Okay. Then find out for revenue. Revenue R dash of x is given as 60. So how will you find R of x from here? Integration of R dash of x dx plus you can apply another one constant as k2. That's equal to integration of 60 dx plus k2. So what's the integration? 60x plus k2. So again also what will you do? When no product is sold, revenue will be 0. Is it right? If you are not at all profiting, if you are not at all selling anything, you won't get anything, is it right? If no product is sold, this all these things you have learned in economics, okay? So revenue will be 0, okay? So when no product is sold means revenue will be 0. So when x is equal to 0, R also 0, yes? So now you can take it as equation number 2. So apply here. So if you are applying, what will happen? R of x is equal to 60x, yes? So next we are going to find the profit. Okay. Profit P is equal to, what's the profit? This you have learned in last year, that is total revenue minus total cost. Okay, what's the formula for profit? Total revenue minus total cost. So total revenue is 60x minus 50x minus x square by 100 minus 200. Okay. Okay, if you need, you can write it this one. That is second equation minus first equation. So second equation is 60x, is it right? There k2 value is 0. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, is it right? K2 value is 0. Why? No product is 0 means revenue will be 0. So 60x is equal to R of x, you will get, is it right? So this is, you take this as second equation, okay? So second equation minus first equation, that's all. So first equation also you apply the first equation here. So if you go subtract this 2, you will get this, okay? So 10x minus x square by 100 minus 200. So dp by dx is equal to integrate, differentiate this one. So x for the differentiation is 1, 10 minus x square, the differentiation is 2x by 100. This for the differentiation is 0. So if you cancel, you will get 50, correct? So dp by dx is equal to 10 minus x by 50. So if we need to get profit, to get maximum profit, so what will you do? dp by dx is equal to, this all the main things you learn in economics. So dp by dx is equal to 0. So apply here as a 0, take it as equation number 3. So 0 is equal to 10 minus x by 50, correct? So what will happen? From this you need to find out the value of x. So minus x by 50 equal to minus 10. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So x is equal to, cross multiply, x equal to 500. Okay. So if we need again d square p by dx square, what will happen? Again if we differentiate, what will happen? So this 10 will become 0. This for the differentiation you will get as minus 1 by 50. This is less than 0, correct? So profit will be maximum when x equal to 500 and profit P equal to 10 into, in the place of x substitute 500 minus, where you need to substitute? Where you need to substitute? Here it's profit. Okay, take it as equation number 4. Okay, equation number 4 is 500 minus 500 the whole square by 100 minus 200. That's equal to 5000 minus, so here itself you can cancel and simplify, that is 2500 minus 200. So what's the profit? Okay, this is the answer. So when you are seeing the question, you will feel it will be very difficult. Yes, the reason is it is going on, whatever the things you are doing. So you need to find the maximum profit. That's the only concept. Okay. So for that, c of x is given, c dash of x is given, c r of x is given. So from the c dash of x, you need to find c of x. Keep it in mind. There you need to find the constant k1 value. Same as that, r dash of x is given. From that you need to find r of x value. There you will find k2 value. Then profit, if you need, means what's the formula? Total revenue minus total cost. So if you subtract, you will get the profit. So if you are differentiating that dp by dx, you will get one value. If you are differentiating again, it will be negative. So when you are differentiating only one time, it will be, when equating to 0, you will get the maximum profit. The reason is, again when you are differentiating, the value will be negative. If it is positive, that will be a maximum profit. So here dp by dx is the maximum profit. So apply to 0, you will get x value. So that value you apply to the profit, you will get the maximum profit. Understand? I think last year we have did many problems based on this. So if you are thorough in that, it will be easy for you. So please differentiate it and learn. Okay, it will be somewhat difficult. So because of that, I am not at all giving homeworks on every day. What the reason is, it will feel very difficult when you are sitting in the home and try to do this mix. Okay, so because of that, I am doing all the problems. So exercise also we will do inside the class itself. So that about the exercise you don't worry. So whatever the class, in the class works, whatever the things I am doing, please learn every day. That's the main thing. So I think somewhat problems are there in examples also. So whatever the things I am taking in your class, you learn everyday portion. Okay, definitely it will be somewhat easy for you. So learn everyday portion. So exercise also we will do inside the class itself. Okay, please take down everything to your class and learn everyday portion. That's your work for you. Okay, learn all the formulas and everything. Understand, students? We will meet in the next class. We will start from example 3.19. Be safe, students.